There is no dispute about both father and mother earning exorbitantly well. One in the US, the mother is in India. The consideration before this honorable court is earlier they had filed an application before the learned magistrate for 50,000 maintenance per month.
I've heard it.
Yes.
It's reduced to 25,000 by
sessions. My lords, the need of the child. The child is 5 years old. Okay. 2 weeks ago, the child turned 6 years old. The child is 5 years old, my lords. 25,000 rupees maintenance is...
She will save 25,000 in the name of the child. Don't worry.
My lords, I'm already saving that money while
mother also will save.
My lords, while the child was in US itself, we started a saving scheme wherein every other month
The mother will start another savings.
My lord, she'll only file further more cases. Already 30 cases are pending between the parties.
No problem.
And there are multiple... My lords, if this honorable court is wishing to increase the maintenance, may I make one proposal?
Increase Allah. 25 na 50 ittala munche.
Allah
will restore 50.
My lords, may I kindly make a submission? I will deposit directly to the school. I will pay all the school fees relating. The school also has food and bus and everything included, my lords. I'll pay the complete thing directly to the school.
Who is paying?
My lords, initially I was paying, but I was sending it through her account. Even though there was no order of maintenance, I was paying the school fees. After the maintenance being ordered, every month I am depositing 25,000 to her account. I will directly pay to the school. Whatever amount is. As of today, they are trying to say it is 3.5 lakhs. I am ready to pay directly. Maybe tomorrow, if it is next year, it becomes 4. Whatever is the inflation rate, I'll pay directly to the school. Kindly, my lords. If that also, it will be the same ratio, my lords. Kindly.
Then?
That is my submission, my lords. 50,000 is an exorbitant amount, which is more than what the child needs. She's living in an own house. She has rental income and other things. She doesn't have any dependent except for the child herein. Whereas the respondent herein has the first child from the first marriage.
That's last time I told you.
Yes, he also has a mother to take care.
Again, that also I told you. Don't sing these swan songs.
I am not washing away my hands from not paying the child. While the child was in the US itself, I've started a saving scheme. She took away the child from US to India, conspired to file cases, filed cases also. The moment US police was filing a report where there is no offense made out, while protection order, she had obtained a protection order from the US court as well. While that was subsisting, she doesn't inform the US court, nor the US police, nor the respondent herein, gets the child to India in June. July, she starts filing cases in India, including this maintenance case. And this is not the first time she's done this, my lords. In 2019 also, she moved the child from US to India and filed cases in Noida, again for maintenance and other claims in Noida. And this is the same pattern, my lord. She's been harassing the respondent herein by filing numerous cases. My submission is
50,000, she will stop filing this case.
It will become more, my lords.
More, we'll see.
An existence of, I have produced, if your lordships can see, I've produced a document, a list of cases that is being filed against us. Or there will be cases against the judges. They'll start filing transfer petitions, writ petitions. And my lords, my client is contesting numerous matters also. He's taking care of his mother. He's taking care of his first child. He's taking care of the petitioner's daughter herein, who's the daughter of both petitioner and respondent. We've been paying, including the saving scheme for the education, because the child is a US citizen. He's also paying the US, at US, the saving scheme, which he's been paying while the child was in the US itself. The scheme had started and he was paying since then. He has to save for the future also for the child. At one given point of time, suddenly they come and ask for crores of rupees for a college fee. He cannot get it. So there is a saving scheme which he's doing in the name of the child, which he cannot withdraw.
What's your income per month?
My lords, mine is about 9 lakhs in the US currency, my lords.
9 lakh US dollars.
Yes, my lords. But when we convert it into purchase power parity with India, it will be just about 3 lakhs. And she is earning 3 lakhs in India itself, my lords. My lords, admittedly, both are earning well. There is no dispute on that point, my lords.
That's why both of you are fighting well.
My lords, I have not filed cases, my lords. In fact, if your lordships can see, I have sent an email to her, categorically telling her to, let's be done with all these cases. Let's focus on our child. I've produced that email also, my lords. No, their vengeance, whatever it is that they just don't want to stop filing cases,
Anyway.
nor,
This maintenance case, I will deal with this.
my lord,
Yes, sir.
My lord, I will just take 2
You
minutes.
don't want to settle the issue?
My lord, I would like to submit just
No,
2 minutes for submission,
Settlement.
my lord.
You don't want to settle the issue?
No, I want to settle, my lord. Kindly permit me for 2 minutes, actually.
Ah.
She is totally misleading this honorable court.
Ah.
They have filed SLP criminal 4945 before honorable Supreme Court.
Ah.
All these contestants were taken by them.
Hmm.
It was dismissed by honorable Supreme Court. They had filed writ of habeas corpus 78 by 2021 before this honorable court, and they had taken same contestants. It was dismissed. I mean to say they had filed in 3-4 cases at High Court, Honorable High Court, Honorable Supreme Court. All those contestants have been
If you
dismissed.
file, they will also file. Why should they keep quiet?
No, false. I was telling about false and irrelevant contestants.
That's all right.
Now
Yes.
coming to this is interim maintenance, my lord. Fees is 50,000. Page number 201, my lord.
Hmm.
Fees itself is 50,000 per month.
it is not per month, my lord. That's all.
Wait. It's,
201,
201.
yeah, my lord.
Ah.
First term fees, second term fees, third term fees, 3 lakhs. 1,02,000, 1,02,000, 1,02,200, 1,02,200, my
Mhm.
lord. It may kindly be seen.
Now, who is paying the fee?
This petitioner is paying, I am paying.
Ah,
Yes, my lord.
all right.
Then
What are the arrears of maintenance? Nothing is there?
No, my lords, we up to
Wait.
date paid.
food services,
Hmm.
26, 52,000. Then bus charge 85,000. And then books, shoe, uniform, and summer camp fees, it makes 6 lakhs.
Summer camp. Hmm.
Related their savings actually,
Hmm.
and reducing the income.
What is the income?
Income is, my lord, 9.25 lakhs per month.
Per
And-
month?
Yeah, and they have shown it somewhere, I mean to say 3 lakhs.
That is. we are
Page
still
number 86, my lord, I will start.
9.25 lakhs. So 50,000 is awarded. What is, how much do you earn? 1,62,000.
No, my lords.
How much does she earn?
35 lakhs is her annual income, my lords.
Ah.
Almost about 2,50,000 is her net.
All right.
My lord, that is a gross salary actually. And after tax, it will be around 20 lakhs. And my lord, page number 86,
Hmm.
paragraph 6,
Yes.
the
Ah.
judgment of.
Anything
this-
else, sir?
The judgment,
Anything else you have to say?
just
Judgment,
this,
judgment I will read. You need not read.
these, I mean to say savings will not be allowed.
Hmm.
Then they have taken the contention of purchase power parity.
Hmm.
This purchase power parity is an idea and theoretical concept, and definitely it is not a law. So that cannot be.
You
I
are-
mean to say,
You are guiding your daughter.
guiding. I mean to say, I am father, so that's why I have.
No, that's what in guiding in filing these cases.
Yes, my lord.
Settlement and agala.
Agadilla, Swami.
No sentimental, my lord. I am
No,
talking of
impossible.
law. Actually.
Settlement cannot happen. Yes.
No, I am talking of law. My able Supreme Court.
See, we will also answer law only, sir, not settlement. No, I asked whether you are guiding your daughter to file all these
Yeah,
cases.
definitely, as a father, I
Yes.
having my duty to.
Absolute.
Every fathers have
That is why.
their duty to this guide their.
No, there can be
children.
no settlement. We will answer in law.
And for settlement, we have 2 mediations have taken place, my lord.
That is why.
And that had,
You go to the mediation or your daughter goes?
my daughter goes.
You don't go.
I just
They
accompany.
send abusive mails to the mediation center also. When the matter was set down for a private session, my lords, he sends an email saying that because there was a matter pending before the.
All right. ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ
Anyway,
ನೀವು
Manoj.
you're- don't build a
But
story.
I'm also submitting judgment
Ah.
where purchase power parity, the honorable
ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು. Yes.
court has
Hmm.
taken consideration of.
Yes. ಅಲ್ಲೇ. Correct. Yes, sir. We'll dictate on another day. 23rd.
Much obliged.
List on 23rd.
50 lakhs ಕೊಡಿ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ she has threatened.
1 minute. Yes,
My
ma'am.
lords, they were married on 2nd of July 2021 at
Who?
respondent number 2 and petitioner.
Date
2nd July 2021.
2/7/2021. Yes.
Thereafter, my lords, as per annexure R3,
Hmm.
I have noticed that she is making calls to some people who are congratulating her on her second wedding. And on seeing her Jeevan Sati profile and Facebook profile, it has come to my knowledge that she was previously married.
Which was not divulged to you?
No, my lord.
All right.
As per her Jeevan Sati profile, page 24 of my objections,
Hmm.
her marital status was unmarried and she represents to be owning a company called Messrs Future something,
All right.
which she is not an owner of. When I confronted her about this, she threatened to file false domestic violence cases against me.
Hmm.
I thereafter was posted at Kakching, Manipur for my duty. I have reported there. She has turned up to Kakching, created a scene, snatched away my mobile phone, and has assaulted the army officers at the police station. A detailed report
Who?
is.
Petitioner.
Please, my lords,
She
annexure
has assaulted army officer.
at the station, at the
Hmm.
police station, and has also made some racial slurs as against the officers. Annexure R4, there is a detailed report by the Kakching police station to
Hmm.
this effect, my lords.
Hmm.
Then, my lords, she has now coming to the list of events before 2nd of July, that is before the marriage.
Hmm.
2016, CJM Kurukshetra has registered a crime as against her, which is, my lords, at
Page.
I'll share. At annexure R15, page 77, my lords. Page 77, annexure R15
R15. Page 77.
of my
Yes,
objections.
yes. Hmm.
This is a crime registered by CJM Kurukshetra, which,
Who is the complainant there?
my lords, it's some private party.
All right.
These allegations are with respect to some fraudulent LIC policy schemes,
Hmm.
which allegedly the petitioner and others have put on the complainant. They try to scam money from them.
That's all right.
Please, my lords, most importantly, with
What is the
respect-
crime that you have registered against her now?
My lords, offenses are under 384,
Ah,
420, and 406.
what is
Extortion.
Extortion.
Extortion, criminal breach of trust, and fraud, my lords.
Fraud, alla, cheating.
Cheating. I
All
stand
right.
corrected. My lords, another important thing, if I may just show your lordships, at page 80,
Hmm.
at page 88, my lords.
Hmm.
Page 88, para 12. My lords, this is the petition of divorce filed by the former husband and the petitioner.
Page.
88 of my statement of objections.
82.
Please, the relevant page, my lords, is 88.
All right.
My lords, this is the divorce petition filed by the petitioner's former husband on grounds of cruelty. If I may just show your lordships on page 88, para 12,
Hmm.
similar allegation is posted by her husband also as against her. That is, that the respondent has also given threats to petitioner that she will implicate him and his family members in false criminal cases for demand of dowry, domestic violence, domestic violation, and murder, etc.
All right.
There is a history of this, my lords.
All right.
And another important part, my lords, on page 94, annexure R19.
Yes.
The previous husband thereafter withdraws his divorce petition and files for divorce on grounds of mutual consent. This divorce was finalized on 23rd March 2021.
By then she was married to you?
No, my lords, 4 months later, she gets married to me,
She was
suppressing.
divorced.
Please, very well.
Then?
But my lords, suppression of previous marriage amounts to fraud, my lords. It's covered.
No, that's all right.
Please.
Hmm.
Here also, my lord, she has, in the form of settlement, availed 52 lakhs towards alimony.
She's asking now.
My lord, she is threatened when she was, when I had filed this complaint,
Ah.
threatening that time 50 lakhs kodi, nan sumne ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ anta. She has threatened.
Hmm.
After he has noticed the modus operandi, it has come to his knowledge that this is what she is capable of. All these criminal antecedents were not told to me, my lords.
ಈಗ discharge ಹಾಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. Or I'll pass an order, no problem. Yes. No,
We
no
have-
next date.
We have the document, my lord.
Today. File discharge, I'm going to close it today or I'll pass orders on merits, no problem.
Yeah, there are so many documents.
No, sir. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Not like that, but what the submission, what they are making the submission is that, other than.
Let the crime be investigated into, so what?
Without the procedure of law in itself is not.
That we'll
Because
see.
Between husband and wife, there should be a counseling, at least 3 times counseling, without intimation, without giving.
No problems. No, this is not a crime to be counseled. It is 406, 420 and 384, not 498A. For you to say, no, ingredients not counseling, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು according to Lalit Kumari, it is in cases of matrimonial dispute. Is it a matrimonial dispute? Oh, what matrimonial? 384, sir, extortion. That I will answer. I will definitely answer.
Some documents.
No, sir. No, you filed discharge, sir. You have enjoyed the stay. You have enjoyed the interim order for 2 years. You should have produced all the documents by now. No, sir. Tomorrow. List tomorrow. List tomorrow, or you file discharge. Nothing doing. List tomorrow. No, sir. Nothing. No.
Yeah, strictest time I need.
List the matter on Friday at 4 PM for further hearing. Yes. Friday is not tomorrow.
It's Thursday.
Day after tomorrow, sir.
I should take the.
Read the interim
Get,
order.
sir, if
The
you have.
interim order may be vacated, my lord.
Huh?
Interim order may be vacated. Let the
ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ
investigation.
ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. You collect all the documents, whatever she.
Yes.
The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner and the respondent have argued the matter at length. The learned counsel submits that there are several documents that would prove the innocence of the petitioner. The allegation against the petitioner is the one punishable under section 406, 420 and 384 of the IPC. The husband has registered the crime against the wife. The contention of the respondent, learned counsel for the second respondent husband, is that she gets married to the petitioner without divulging the previous marriage. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she had already been divorced by then, and there was no obligation of the petitioner to divulge the earlier marriage. Be those submissions as they are. The further submission is that the petitioner has demanded money, and there is an allegation of the demanded money to settle the issue, and there is an allegation of section 384 of the IPC, which is for extortion. Therefore, in the case at hand, what requires is an investigation. Therefore, the investigation be continued by the investigating officer, but the investigating officer shall not file a final report without the leave of this court. List the matter on 25th October. The progress of investigation be placed before this court on the next date of hearing, post 25th of October, for further hearing at 3:30 PM. Produce it before the investigating officer. Produce it.
Not granted to me.
No, nothing is going to happen. Investigation, final report will be filed only after the leave of the court. What will be the result? I don't know.
False case against me. If, tomorrow, if it is proved that I am not extorted the money, whether the police will register another case against me.
I will direct registration, sir. I will direct registration. If it is a falsehood on the part of the husband, I will direct registration of a crime against the husband. Yes. Next.
Number 3.
The interim order, subject to the interim order is thus modified. Yes.